Old trusty Nikon. You gotta love it. Can you see me now? Alright, so my good buddy Glenn 4. You might have seen, I think there's some YouTube with him on there maybe. Hooked it up with this badass lamp, and I'm gonna try, me and my bro went in on it, and I'm gonna try to fix it. It's all cracked up right about there. See if I can do it without breaking it more. Got it taped together. It's all this was had taken a blow and come loose there. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a good old Jeremy Bertschinger weld and weld that sucker back together. Well, when I was trying to figure out how it sat on there, it was way out of balance. I think it's going to be like a way you set these suckers up. I don't know, I've never messed with one. And this one's not terribly new because it says made in China. I mean, terribly old. I mean, it looks like it's some old school, but who knows? Pretty newish sticker, I would think. It's got newish stickers in there. I'm gonna take this apart, and I'd love to try to run it off 12 volt and make it have smart connectivity, but I don't know if I'm gonna take it that far. I mean, come on, who am I kidding, right? So yeah, lamp, stained glass lamp project. Oh yeah, back to where. So I was trying to balance it up and freaking broke it right there. Well, come to find out, it's like some kind of freaking porcelain or something. It's weird, porcelain or some shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this original piece and with some other lamps that we're gonna work on in the lamp haul that Glenn 4 brought over today. I think there's a metal round thing that'll match, even if I have to patina it, paint it to match, but I think it'll make it stronger to fit around here, and it'll dome up, which may require me having to find a longer lamp tube, but maybe not. If I can make it strong enough, I may can eliminate where it goes down to here. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Well, stay tuned. Yeah, hit like and subscribe, and you dangle your crawfish. Dangle your crawfish. Alright, welcome back, folks. Got the JB Weld applied onto there. I went ahead and just used the quick set because you know it's not going to be really weight bearing. But I've got it on there, and I'm about to add some structural support by pulling tape down, and it'll hold it all together while that sets. And see if I can't keep you along with me here. Little bird. There he is. A little bird at the truck stop. We're at the Burger King out here on I-22, spreading COVID around. Saw this cool little bird. Fastest freaking Burger King ever. We had like a whole carload of stuff, and they had that ready in like 3 minutes. Amazing. Good job, Burger King. But yeah, look at this cool little bird. What the heck is that guy? I don't think I've ever seen one of those before. I wonder if he's an invasive unit at the truck stop. Probably. Biodiversity's gone. Every silver lining's got a touch of blue. See it at all. Comey slab seal leather. Some kind of star, some gates, a checkered floor. I don't know. That one looks pretty old and something. I like these bushes here. Oh, it's a log cabin in the woods. I'll be dang. Like my mammal's house. As the sun drips down on this Alabama evening in December, in the cemetery, I began to wonder if any of these souls had anything they needed to tell the living, some sort of knowledge they could pass on. Oh, that tree's a beautiful tree. Kudos to whatever arborist is taking care of these trees. Those are beautiful. Legend has it, if you pick up enough sticks from a cemetery and use them to start a yard fire, the spirits of the trees become carbon dioxide. Hey, look! It's a mushroom. What the? The cordwainer would have my head for picking this mushroom. I'm going to set it on the middle of this cross here. Oh, shit. Wow, this is just a boulder sticking up out of the ground there. Wow, that's wild. Man, that's another fantastic tree. Tree talk with Jerry. Oh, motorcycle. Huh. That one don't say 1846 or something, I bet. Yeah. Graves grave. Graves. It's pretty wild. 1998.
What is that, an outhouse?
Looks like it. We have to investigate this. Oh yeah. Well, I'll be dang, it circles around. Huh. It is, I'll be dang. That is, that's something else. Full on outhouse, y'all. I'll be daggone. That's awesome.
If you're looking at graves and you need to take a dump, there you go.
Here at the, I don't even remember the name of this cemetery. Not only do you have the convenience of trees for shade, but you can also the convenience of an outhouse for the poopings of your pardon. You can run inside there and you know, try to get away from anybody that's trying to get you if you're out here at night, and that'd be a horrible place to go and get stuck in.
Yeah, I don't think
That would suck. I wouldn't run in there. Huh. This little saint dude, got him a bird on his shoulder, one in his suckling his teat, and then there's a little chunk of ceramic inside his bowl there.
I'll tell you what.
Very interesting.
When you went out there at night, you would sit down, get ready, and a huge spider would lower
right in front of you. Oh man. Wow, this one has rocks built up. I like that. It's tasteful.
Yeah.
Probably inexpensive. Very cool. These kids probably bring the rocks up.
This grave is turned black.
Wow.
Probably from, well, maybe not a tree.
Well, yeah, that cedar probably puts off something that might, yeah. I don't know, it might just be what it's made of.
I've never seen any that dark.
Fancher? Fancher is the last name. That's a huge old chunk of concrete right there. I guess it's concrete. This one's Sutton. Oh wow, this one's super old. Old. That one's very old as well. Good Lord.
It's kind of crazy how they're like mixed in, like new ones with old ones. Like you'll see.
Yeah. You know, sometimes people will like just add to it. You know, they'll know somebody's there and it doesn't really have a good marker and they'll add to it. Different things like that sometimes. And then sometimes people just have that extra room. Little plot, you know. Well, it goes way down into the woods. I wouldn't have thought they would have put it this close to the river. I'm gonna pause. Right, they've been washed away over the years. I imagine this is floodplain. This little dickhead up on here. I think he's gonna try to get in the video. Guess what? You are, bitch. That's not a long enough stick for me to mess with a centipede. Oh, dude. That centipede just died like that. He was just dead there. Yeah. Yeah, sure is. Do some excavating and I don't know, I wouldn't want to mess with it, mess up some history, and then it'd be like somebody was out there messing up with the history.